Okay, for our next thing, we're going to actually look at applying a rule, or two rules, or a variation of the same rule for expanding things. Now, if we've got a set of brackets and we're multiplying that by itself and then we're squaring it, we can follow this rule. So our first term, all of our first term is squared. Then we multiply both of our terms and double it. That's what we end up with here. And then our second term is also squared. If it's negative, well then we have this term here is subtracted, and that stays positive because you square anything, it's going to end up being positive. Okay, so let's see how to apply it. We've got x and 1, so this will become x squared minus 2 times x times 1, and we've got plus 1 squared. So this simplifies to x squared minus 2x plus 1. Okay, let's have a look at this next one. Use a different colour. So we've got 12x minus 3 all squared. So our first term is 12x. The whole thing needs to be squared. Minus 2, and we have 12x, and we have 3. And then we'll say plus 3 squared. Now I'm using brackets just so you can see that I'm keeping the terms the same and I'm squaring them. It would have been a little bit more difficult for the first one there. So let's expand these things. So 12 squared, according to our I think it's a fourth index law. So 12x squared, remember they both did a pair of 2, so this becomes 144x squared. Now we've got 12x times 3 gives us 36x. Multiply that by 2, so we get negative 72x. And 3 squared is 9. So that's how we go about that. So we square all the first term, multiply the terms together and double them, and then we square the second term as well.